Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're breaking down arithmetic sequences, what they are, how to find the general term, and how to quickly calculate any term. Let's go! An arithmetic sequence is a list of numbers where each term increases or decreases by the same amount, called the common difference. But what is a term? Each number in a sequence is called a term. For example, the first number is the first term, the second number is the second term, and so on. Take this example, 4, 7, 10, and so on. The first term is 4, the second term is 7, and the third term is 10. As we can see, each term adds up by 3. So the common difference, or D, is plus 3. The common difference can also be a decimal, or a fraction. For example, look at this sequence, 1, 2.5, 4, and so on. Here, each term increases by 1.5, so D equals 1.5. It doesn't have to be a whole number. Even D can be negative. Look at this sequence, 8, 3, minus 2, and so on. Each term goes down by 5, so D is minus 5. So now we know what a term and D are. But how can we find any term we want? For that, we need the general term formula. This is the general term formula. In this formula, n represents the position of the term. We can replace n with any number we want to find that term. For example, in this arithmetic sequence with a common difference of 4, we want to find the 10th term. So, just replace n with 10 and d with 4. So, to find the 10th term, we take the first term, which is 1, and then add 10 minus 1 times 4. So, the 10th term equals 1 plus 9 times 4, which is 37. Now let's flip it. What if we know a term, but we don't know its position in the sequence? In this example, we have 2, 9, 16, and so on. Which term is 44? We use the general term formula. Here, the first term is 2, and the common difference d is 7. We want to find which term equals 44. So we plug in nth term equals 44. Then we solve the equation for n. 44 equals 2 plus n minus 1 times 7. First, subtract 2 from both sides. 42 equals n minus 1 times 7. Divide both sides by 7. 6 equals n minus 1. Finally, add 1 to both sides. N equals 7. So, 44 is the 7th term in the sequence. But if we don't have the whole sequence, just 2 terms, what should we do? In an arithmetic sequence, the third term is 8, and the 6th term is 20. What's the general term? We have the general term formula. Now let's plug in the third term and the 6th term into it. Now we simplify the two equations. Then we subtract the first equation from the second one to eliminate first term. So, 12 equals 3d, divide both sides by 3, and we get d equals 4. Now we can find the first term. Now, using the first equation, 8 equals the first term plus 2 times 4. That means 8 equals the first term plus 8. So, the first term is 0. Now, in the formula, we can replace d with 4, and since we know a is 0, we can simplify it. So, the general term is 4n minus 4. Alright, now it's your turn. Look at this sequence. Which term is negative 20? Drop your answer in the comments. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what concept you want me to explain next.